Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the Rasputin video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So if you want to create these kind of videos where you have the Rasputin track playing in the background, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you will need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free app from the App Store or your Google Play Store. So first you want to open up your TikTok app. Next you want to tap on search here, the top right. Search for Rasputin Capcut template. Once the search results appear, go ahead and tap on any of the videos. Now what you're looking for is the video which is doing the trend, and you're looking for this Capcut. Try this template button here, the bottom left. So once you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will now load the template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut. Then go ahead and tap on Use Template at the bottom right. Now here you want to select two videos or pictures. One will be 3 seconds and the other one will be 6 seconds. So I'll go ahead and select a video. Then tap on Preview at the bottom right. This will now create the video for me. Now if you're happy with it, go ahead and tap on Add Sound in TikTok at the top right. This will export the video and we'll share it to TikTok. Now TikTok will automatically add the Rasputin soundtrack on this video. Now preview the video and make sure you like it. Then tap on Next, add your captions and your tags, and then post it to TikTok. So that is how to create the Rasputin video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.